InShare not opening on Android can stop you from sending or receiving files. In this video, I'll cover the main reasons and 9 quick fixes to get InShare working again. Part 1. Why can't InShare be opened? Corrupted cache or app data, damaged installation files, low storage or RAM, outdated app or OS, conflicting apps, disabled permissions, weak or unstable network, temporary system glitches, device compatibility issues, security apps or malware restrictions. Part 2. How to fix InShare not opening in 9 efficient ways. 1. Restart your device. 2. Clear cache and data. 3. Update InShare. 4. Check app permissions. 5. Free up storage space. 6. Disable battery optimization. 7. Reset app preferences. 8. Check internet connection. 9. Update your Android system. Part 3. How to use the best replacement for InShare Smooth. Mobikin Transfer for Mobile Windows Mac offers a smooth and reliable way to transfer files between devices without the crashes or glitches that can affect apps like InShare. Step 1. Download. Start by downloading and installing the complimentary trial version of the Transfer for Mobile application. After installation, launch the program on your computer. Step 2. Connection. Utilize USB cables to link both Android devices to your computer. The program will automatically recognize the connected devices, and you will see the data available for transfer displayed in the central menu, as illustrated in the subsequent window. Step 3. Transmission. Select the types of data you wish to transfer and click the Start Copy icon located in the central panel. This action will initiate the transfer immediately.